What's up, guys? November 15th, Tuesday morning, extremely early. Harry and I are hunting my farm this morning. We got a little Jagger walk. We're gonna walk in and then kind of do a cool down. It's about 30 degrees right now. It's supposed to be a high of 42, 43, rain coming at 11. We're gonna sit through it as much as we can. I'm going over to a like a little razorback ridge, and cameras are telling me there's a lot of activity up and down that little razorback right now. I don't think there's any hot does right now. I think that the bucks are just checking where the does are. So we're gonna go hunt where the does are and see what happens. Pretty excited. It's gonna be a great day. The full moon's gone. I mean, it is time to be in the woods right now in southern West Virginia. So we're gonna start walking and get over here and get to a little staging area where I like to do and get changed and cooled down. And then we're gonna sneak into the tree, get in our saddles, put all of our stuff up, and hopefully a big boy comes by. We get Harry on a blood trail. Harry's been grinding this season, and just as luck would have it, you know, he just hadn't been on that buck kill yet. So I'm hoping to change that today for Hair Bear.
Thanks.
Yeah, make it all worth it. Well, we got in here pretty quiet this morning. We heard a couple of deer. Sounded like antlers. But hopefully we didn't really hard bump anything when we got set up. We were pretty quiet, so we're just gonna let everything settle out here and let the sun rise. And hopefully there's deer all over us. Well, we ain't striking out today. We saw one. They were calling for this sleet and ice this morning. It's supposed to turn to rain around 11. We're gonna hang in here and see what happens. Alright, so me and Alex made it up in the tree finally. This is the first time coming in here in the dark. I've only been in here one time, so we was kind of lost a little bit. I'm lost all the time, but we got in a sycamore, and if you know anything about sycamores, they're a nightmare. Got all this scaly bark, leaves everywhere, so we done the best we could, but we got up here. We really like it once we got up here, but it's just cracking daylight. Got a really good wind. We feel good about it. We'll see what happens. I think Harry and Josh are in a stand somewhere, so hopefully they can have some luck too. It's about 9 o'clock. We've only seen that one doe, but this time of year you just never know, so we're gonna sit here a little while. If we don't see anything, then we're liable to get down and start hunting on the ground. Zach is out today. He's hunting down in Logan. I don't know if they've done any good or not yet. I don't know what the weather is down there, but we were supposed to have till like noon today. We got till like 7. Before it started raining on us. Oh, I see a buck up there. Right where she was just standing. Yeah, that one up there. I can't really tell what it is, like size-wise, just because of how far it is, but he's got some good time waiting on him to do that.
see it. As soon as I saw her like running over, I was like, oh, it's game on. Yeah. I mean, he read the script. He just not the one. Yeah, just not the one. You think we're too high in this tree? No. He knew something was going on. Yeah, they both see us, but I don't. Did she see us? Yeah. I never did see her when she was. I could see her at the corner of my eye. She looked. How close was she? 30 yards. How much? 30 yards or so. I mean, she could have got a little bit of her scent, too. I don't know. Maybe it's kind of pulling back that way some. I don't know how he didn't smell us. I don't know. The wind was hitting us right in her neck. Yeah. And he was just going. Well, it's pretty exciting. Yeah. I was really hoping the big boy would come in here and run him off. Well, and that's still a possibility. Yeah. She obviously smells pretty good. Yeah. You know, that biggin might hit her trail and come around through there, you know. I don't know why he left her, though. That was weird. I don't know. He might know something we don't know. Maybe. Was that thunder? Did you hear that? So, me and Alex both thought that I can't talk. We both thought that we heard something in the thicket behind us. So I grunted 3 or 4 times, just, to see maybe if there was a buck in there. And I just, 2 minutes after I grunted, I just so happened to look, and the freaking buck that we was after is right here at 30 yards. I ain't doing good at all right now. And we was talking about how the wind shifted on us, and it couldn't have been any worse than what it is right now. He come right there. He didn't want to leave. Cause when he hit our wind, he stood there. Thought about it. It really. I was hoping he was just gonna be like, screw it, just take the chance. Dude, I'm shaking so bad right now. I'm in really bad shape right now. Really bad shape. I mean, really bad shape. Said, did you get good footage? I'll bust him in the head next time I see him. So, me and Alex are trying to calm down. We come in here this morning because we had a picture last night, a picture of this big buck. I'd never had him before, but he was by himself. He come through here. So we slipped in here this morning best we could. I picked this tree out the other day, but didn't really get close to it. So we struggled a little bit, but got up in the tree. And like I was saying earlier, we thought we heard something behind us in this thicket. So I grunted. Well, when I grunted, about 2 minutes goes by, and something caught my eye behind us here. Or actually in front of me, behind Alex. And it's the freaking monster that we come in here after. He literally, he had to have been bedded out here in this field somewhere, in these little it's like little rolling hills. Because he come on a line to that grunt, and when I seen him, he was 27, 30 yards, somewhere in there. And he crossed my shooting lane before I could even get my hand on my bow. And the damn wind has been shifting on us, and it's blowing right here. And he got right downwind of us at 22, 23 yards and locked up. And he wanted to come on, but that sixth sense just told him not to. And he bounced out there to about 40 yards and stopped, but I didn't have a shot. And then he just went on up the hill, and I snort wheezed at him, and he turned and come back towards us, but then he eventually worked his way off. But I mean, that's just a gut. Almost bad. He'd circle. If he did come back, he'd circle all the way and come right from being downwind. Yeah. It's just a gut punch. I mean, just unbelievable. We would have never dreamed. I'll let Alex show you in a minute where he come from. It's actually where the small buck that we seen this morning, he went that way. And Alex was talking about how he was shocked that that smaller buck went through that wide open field out through there. And then, lo and behold, here comes freaking Muy Grande just trotting. If we would have seen him 5 freaking seconds sooner, this would be a different story to tell. We'd be tearing the top out of this tree. We'd be shaking his. It ain't no beech tree, but we'd be shaking this big sycamore tree for sure. you think I was busted?
I did when I'm following him. I seen the corner of my eye. You drew back and all right then.
Well,
Dude, I'll get you freaking blood.
want it. That was a successful, very successful stalk.
Oh yeah, if it had been the vodka.
If he'd have been the one we wanted, he was toast.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I mean, he kind of caught us off guard there, but
Yeah, the way he circled around,
we seen him originally. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but he was on that bench over there working a scrape, and you know we're still within 300 or 400 yards of where we was at this morning. So we thought it was him. We could just see a rack. And then I seen him go down, and there's an old road in the bottom of this little drain right here. And I thought he was working his way, right on up the drain. So I thought we'd get on this road and intersect him, and just peep over, and he'd be right there. And just as soon as my feet hit the road, I heard something, and he was 20 yards.
Yeah.
Just boom, looking right at us, and we was froze. I'm surprised he didn't spook though. I mean, we held still. Dude, my knees, because I was in the word, I was and I could feel my knees just tightening up. I was like, oh boy, you're going to need to move, or I'm gonna scare the shit out of you here in just a minute. Hey, so we've seen 170-inch deer. I mean, that's probably 140s.
Yeah, at least.
His main beams was a little short. Did you notice that?
Yeah, and his G2s.
Yeah. Nice deer though. Looked like a young deer. I mean, probably 4-year-old buck. Didn't you think?
What is it?
4-year-old, you think, probably?
At the most, yeah.
Somewhere around there. Got good potential, but that's a pretty damn good day for a nasty rainy day like this. But now we're going to continue what we plan to do. We got out of the stand. We're going in the opposite direction of where we come in. We're going to try to circle back around and look at another access point for the stand that we hunted this morning. It seems like it's pretty hot because, like I said, that deer's there too. So.
Yeah, and he was obviously coming this way.
Yeah.
We just so happened to intercept him.
Yeah. So.
He didn't even. Didn't even spook and went down the windows. Was like,
Oh, he was directly downwind of us. Yeah. Oh, if that had been that big one, when he popped up right there, next time you'd seen him, he'd been going over at Ridge probably. It's fun though.
I think we're ready. Well, we got back in midday, grabbed a bite to eat, ran a couple errands. I had to go drop a couple weed eaters off to get repaired for actual work. And got back, getting our stuff on, walking back in. It's still raining pretty good, but I got a tree umbrella to protect the camera. We're gonna get back over here till dark. The camera's not working over here, so I don't know what's going on, but all indications of what's going on in southern West Virginia, camera's fired up around noon. So we're gonna sneak in real quietly and slowly, checking, glassing everywhere, and get up and sit till dark, and hopefully we're there past dark. That I shoot one and we're taking nighttime pictures, not nighttime, but y'all know what I mean, in the dark pics with a big Moe Grande.
It just picked up.
It just now started raining harder, I swear it did. We're going. Let's put it in a dry bag.
Yeah.
Let's rock and roll. Harry and I got settled in here. Man, I don't even know what time it is. I ain't gonna worry about it. But we snuck in here, didn't jump any deer, we don't think. We got Harry's umbrella set up. He's in the high and dry. And cross fingers that we see more deer than we saw this morning. Zach and Alex talked to them midday. They saw a couple deer this morning, one monster. And then
they were actually going to prep 2 trees for potential areas to hunt in the rest of this week. So, gonna hang in here till dark. It's supposed to stop raining around 4:30, 4:45. See what happens. Can't kill them if you're on the couch. It's the rut, baby. Well, I believe the rain has finally stopped. It felt like it was gonna stop about 30 or 45 minutes ago, but then it fired right back up. It's about 4:25. I've not seen any deer yet, but we're gonna hang in here for the last 10 or 15 minutes. See what we see. Hopefully they'll get up and start stirring around. That's what we said in our